2 days na lang bago ang Super Bowl 60. Bukod sa championship game ng Seahawks at Patriots, highly anticipated din ang halftime performance ni Bad Bunny. Narito ang agenda report ni U.S. correspondent Henny Espinosa.
Damang-dama na sa San Francisco Bay Area ang Super Bowl fever. Dahil ilang araw na lang ay championship game na ng National Football League. Noong opening night sa San Jose Convention Center, ipinagdiwang ng fans ang pagdating ng AFC champions, ang New England Patriots, at ng NFC champions, ang Seattle Seahawks.
I think you give a lot of credit to people around me. Coaches, players, new teammates, another year of the teammates that I did play with. And just to find confidence in myself of going out there and knowing that of what it's like playing in this league. Playing quarterback at a high level in this league is hard, and knowing that the preparation you put into it is what you get out of it, and knowing every week is different.
Yeah, I think that's just it. It's leaning on my teammates. Obviously because this, it can feel big. It's a big game. Obviously, the Super Bowl is something that you dream of as a kid.
Nag-enjoy naman ang fans sa block party na ito sa San Jose na malapit lang sa Levi's Stadium, ang championship venue. Habang nakaantabay sila sa match-up ng Seahawks at Patriots. Si Dave Navales ay San Francisco 49ers fan, pero tinalo ng Seahawks ang kanyang team sa playoffs. Dismayado man siya sa naging kapalaran ng 49ers, excited pa rin siya at sa kanyang hometown gaganapin ang Super Bowl.
A lot of people from different places nationally is trying to see what the scene is, and I'm just pretty proud that I be part of it.
Todo ensayo ang Seahawks at Patriots sa kanilang nalalapit na pagtutunggali. Bumabalik ang Seattle sa Super Bowl sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon matapos silang matalo ng New England 11 taon na ang nakakaraan. Sa panahong ito, ang Patriots naman ang underdogs.
Extra proud ang mga Filipino fans this season knowing that the Seattle Seahawks kicker Jason Myers has Filipino roots. A reminder that representation on one of sport's biggest stages truly matters.
Inaabangan si Myers dahil nagpakitang gila siya noong 2025. Nakaset siya ng NFL record dahil nakascore siya ng pinakamaraming points sa isang season sa pamamagitan lamang ng kicks, hindi touchdowns. Ang Phil-Am football fans na ito na tubong San Jose ay mga die-hard 49ers fans. At kahit ayaw nila sa Seahawks, suportado nila ang kababayang si Myers.
Cultural representation is everything, right? Pacific Islanders, Asian Americans, we're not known as much to play like a lot of professional sports. And the fact that there's one of us on the inside of the field is truly inspiring. May not be a Seahawk fan, but I am a player fan.
Coming from half Filipino family, I think it's pretty cool to see a Filipino kicker going to the Super Bowl. I mean, it's not much you see on a day-to-day team or day-to-day basis.
Excited din ang fans na makita ang Super Bowl halftime performance ng Puerto Rican superstar na si Bad Bunny.
They don't even have to learn Spanish. They just it's better if they learn to dance. But I think there's no better dance than the one that can come from the heart. The heartbeat dance. That's the only thing that they need to worry about and have fun and enjoy it. And of course, choose your team at the game.
Hindi na nga makapaghintay ang football fans sa excitement at entertainment na tanging Super Bowl lang ang makapagbibigay. Para sa Agenda, Henny Espinosa, Billionaire News Channel, San Jose, California.